they have got their works cut out because they want, because if they don't, they have the kind of batting.
Walking in, you can see it on your screens once again to let.
Sunny and lovely settingly, batting friendly conditions. Stalwarts of Pakistan's crickets, which he would like to grab just so far and still wait. Cricket 22 years old Yasir Khan. Both of us and a lot of us are evening in Faisalabad. Welcome, Shah Faisal. Sajjad Ali, the 40 years old wicketkeeper.
Exactly what the previous batter is so important. And he slashes hard and it's gone for one bounce.
And that almost carried to third.
And left off the toes. 10 gone. 44 to it. And into the gap. 50.
Something like this, that's easy pickings.
It's not that hitting boundaries. And this, yes, the signal is there.
Feeling that impact would have been outside. It did. Onto his legs.
Well, that's these people who have been on top of their game. Half volley on the middle.
And the similar result. It's been put away. Even has got protection there, but it's not really worked. He's aiming middle leg when he's got
two occasions that Shah is too good. And why?
Off the back foot, played in the gap, making full use of the.
He will hit you for fun. Have a look at that. Exactly knew where the fielders are. Oh, this is what we were talking about. After doing all the hard work.
Afternoon in Faisalabad. A prolific performance, domestic and strike rate along with a healthy average.
The mistake he made. Oh, slip. It's a good start by Tayyip Tahir for a boundary.
Opportunities down the ground. Oh, some delicate touch and.
What placement. What Tahir. That's a good enough 23. How good is that?
Amir Jamal putting the hard yards and after getting the wicket. Swept to perfection, Babar Azam. Afternoon.
And you don't have protection there.
And Babar dines in. Only a boundary for Babar.
travelled.
The line was good.
That is such a good shot. Azam.
Amir just strode into it and found the middle of the bat.
Boundary again.
Just simply regal the timing and the placement. Just it's almost a tennis stroke off of the ground to just get across court for a boundary.
But he deliberately also managed to something like this above your eye line. Can't control
Batting lineup.
power that Tayyip Tahir possessed. Maximum.
Long boundary on that side. Gravity. Quick feet. One. Quick hands as well.
Rotating strike at will. Placement perfectly between the two. Can't be more immaculate.
50 for Babel. 50 first half Sabad.
That he played for his 50 runs. Look at how it is the placement. Two men patrol.
Wicket for Amir Yamin and the quality batting. So all the 50 on the board. So easily done. Excellent carried again, but again very comfortable.
Or does he have another couple?
Hitting.
To the gap, and that would go for a boundary. And gets impatient, tries to just have a look. Quick for the batter. Too much width on this.
Yes, a boundary. That is a beautiful inning. 20th
Yes,
is manageable. That's glorious by Bob.
delaying the stroke, opening the boundary. That is high-class batting that he used to play. Look at that. Behind his eye line. That late.
And again, the sound from the bat was
Very well timed and... well, he's gone. Straight down the throat of a fielder waiting on...
finally won by Shaheen. You go for the big hits, but not in the back foot, just went after it.
In the gap.
Yes, the strike
I
rate.
believe lot of time, but he needs to be sensible.
And Flick to perfection. Thank you, Babar Azam. One.
Cited that. That is, when he made that connection, the width, the bar.
Pure class by the youngster himself. He had to ball away from his body, paid the price tag.
The total. That is very crucial almost to run a ball. 2-1.
But still, long way to go and expect much in terms of the average.
Shot. Dealt his bat.
Shorter boundary on the perfect connection, great sound. The three fielders are converging. This is the first one for Hussain Talat.
At ease, and this is what happened that off. Get that big mark. He's deliberately elevated that over, got himself a boundary. Power play. It was clear to him, but again, flying in the air, but nowhere near the ball.
Just a delivery ago. A touch above, and
Harris goes big, goes
Brilliant. Waiting for Harris. Another one. Likes it. That's what he loves doing.
just over. Good carnage here at the Iqbal. Movements of Hussain Talat.
Few overs. He's been.
That's hit his very best. Probably didn't get all of it, just lands 50, and the crowd will run. Absolutely sensational knock. Not what he intended to do. Working along for the stallion. Hussain Talat now on offer and punished.
Well, as they say, it's contagious. Different shots, but they do have the license to do that.
Has found the gap, and it will. Couldn't get around. This is the shot.
Back of the hand delivery. I don't know how, because he's used to all those cutters.
I mean, there was a period where just Hussain Talat looking for some elevation. Excellent bowling by Amir. Not quite off the middle of the bat.
The talent. That's the talent. It's never easy to hit them away, but
Missed it from its presence. Just, in fact, lands just inside.
he hit it in the gap.
Maybe. No pace on it, but it will stick to back boundaries.
Create his own.
A single will bring up his.
Absolutely a hard fought.
72 seems expensive, but it's shown promise. The wickets were.
Deliveries. Hussain Talat also played this day matches. He has played more than 4,000. The music from the man from Shah.
Oh, gets a Jaffer. Side. Yeah, it's the outside edge, and first he was full. He allowed
Dot ball after one after another.
of 113, and this top of the delivery into the gap. That.
And goalkeeper and the first slip.
A wicket, and this again up, but I think he was late in drive. Yeah, that
Use of feet. Perfection. Finally, first boundary for Abdullah Shafiq.
over his head. When he gets going,
And he's gone. Jahandar. Look at that.
pulling the right length, and then comes the heavy late on the stroke, and only manage. And now comes the perfect reply. Builds up, and this give this one again full again all his stumps, and the danger had no clue.
Oh, he's flat batted that. Tarun Siraj.
He just cannot play that blockade, and he flats batted straight.
Boundary, maybe a boundary.
Very good. I've dived. Talking to the same field. Good placement.
A lot of time with seniors, and of course there'll be a lot of they should be eating during the season off.
Free hit coming up. Will give chase, but in vain. Tyrone Siraj finds the boundary.
He came via free hit. Smacked for 4, providing a half volley. And this one will in the face of the bat, top edging it. Noorpur Lions lose.
You can charge your cell phones and enjoy that straight drive as well. Once again.
Short ball offered, ongoing, finally over, and 4 innings. Used once again at Captain Bob, this time with a maximum.
Down the track, over the head. Shah.
This is the run up, Haris Roof, disciplined bowling, a wicket.
To drive, it was not quite.
In a straight style as well. His first boundary.
Any boy, but he can hit it hard. It's going, and you can tell by the shot he played. If it's in his zone, it's going out, taking it straight. And oh, maybe it's time, Imam. I mean, 28 gone.
The purpose behind everything. You got to build a platform for people like Shah. They're trying. Once shown, well,
Someone will have to do.
the color of the jersey is the same.
Maybe even.
It's Imam's way of attacking. You've seen dances down the wicket, creates that and then smash.
If you want to bowl slower cutters, up and take the mid-off back.
My word! That we can't be.
Well, clearly going.